and decor. You could be a set designer. Like, these are things that we just want to open up the opportunities and let you know that these are potential careers for you to have. In 3 days, we'll do 9 episodes. So that'll be a season. We're the ones that coordinate when everybody's supposed to be here, call times, who's on set, catering, I mean, everything from top to bottom. Here, break room, a couple of restrooms here. This is part of the set for when Kevin shoots the radio show. This is also a space that once we start the Hart program, this will be our on the set class